iPhone goes bananas. Apple pulls buggy iOS 17.3 beta after boot loop nightmare, fix and back tap drama. Hold your horses, iPhone enthusiasts. Apple just threw the brakes on the iOS 17.3 beta train after a nasty bug sent devices spiraling into a boot loop black hole. Yup, 3 hours after releasing the update, Apple slammed the brakes, pulling it from both the developer center and over-the-air downloads. Why the sudden U-turn? Turns out, some iPhones were getting stuck in a never-ending loop, refusing to boot up properly. Talk about a tech tantrum. Reports surfaced on Mac Rumors, Twitter, and Mastodon, painting a picture of iPhone owners staring helplessly at their brick devices. The only escape? A factory reset, wiping everything clean and sending their data back to the tech graveyard. Ouch! While the exact culprit is still under investigation, whispers point towards the back tap feature. A developer named Guilherme Rambo shared a suspicious log suggesting his device crashed due to a back tap setting, and guess what? Several affected users also had back tap enabled. But hold on, the plot thickens. Not everyone with back tap experienced the boot loop, and some without it even got caught in the digital purgatory. So, is back tap the bad boy here, or just a red herring? Apple, playing it safe, pulled the beta like a magician yanking a tablecloth from under a plate of iPhones. Now, the tech giant is scrambling to fix the bug before releasing the update again. Until then, stay frosty, iPhone warriors. Avoid the iOS 17.3 beta like the plague, and stick with your current software. Unless, of course, you're a tech daredevil with a backup plan and a knack for troubleshooting. Otherwise, sit back, grab some popcorn, and watch the drama unfold from the sidelines.